Hello everyone, this is Miss Arlene. I just wanted to talk a little bit about chalkboard blocks. These are new discovered toys that I love. What I love about these blocks, they come in a package of 15. You have the square box, you have rectangles blocks, you have half a circle blocks, you have unit blocks, and the storage bag to keep them nice and tidy. These blocks will be a great extension to any play area. All you need is regular chalk to just write on these. They're erasable, easily erasable, I should point out. The children can draw on them, they can write on them. You can teach math skills, you can teach language skills with these. Vocabularies, just wonderful blocks to have in your workspace. You can purchase these from the discount school supplies. They're currently out of them though, but if you're going to buy blocks for this year, these chalkboard blocks is a must have. Make sure you get yourself a box of chalk as well. Get the children to write on it, draw on it, and it's a perfect extension to any play area. You can use them all over your room. Okay, thanks for watching. Let's take a deep breath, forget the mess, and let the children play. Thank you for watching.